Hi, I'm Johan. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about AN fittings, and I'm going to mount my oil cooler for the engine and for the transmission, and then the radiator and a fan. So let's see how it goes.
Any valuable enough military targets where Ukraine would attack Sochi. The Russians got caught off guard. They lost the fuel depot forefront of the latest wave of Ukrainian strikes against Crimea. This is going to become a repeating theme on this channel.
How much easier would it be? But just a nice finish, modern. That is.
Full of products we use every day and many more.
And then the rest of the warehouse is
Tap from. Hello.
Running back down to about Harley and then struggle again with arrow and drop back.
So now Suarez is going to go a lap down. Hamlin's going to be right there to fill the void.
And you're Christopher Bell, you're hoping for a little respect from Hamlin behind. Hey man, there's a long way to go in this race. Let's be careful, let's be smart. Let me get by these guys. Third of it down. Let's use some patience right here.
Out front, he has led all 28 laps to this point. Christopher Bell is an NASCAR.
Just nu, på Momondo.
Tjena! Jag sitter här och ska göra ett aktivt val. En massa vin. Ja, det blir bra. Jag är klar för att aktivt val.
And you can find your favorite drivers with that. Carling separating the top series.
And you can slowly watch the cars in front of him. He's starting to get a little bit late in the center of the corner as well. They told him don't abuse the left front, trying to get out of the grip. So that was the message to him regarding
Dylan Martin
Truex Jr. was in 6th for much of that run. Pretty happy with the car. Said just a little bit too tight, but free up on the straightaway. The interesting part here, Dave, is that rain is in the area, so deciding to pit or not was really a complicated one for the crew chiefs.
William Byron says he's tight to the 3/4 mark. That's it. As for the leader, Christopher Bell, losing grip, just a little tighter off, looser end, but the balance overall is good. Who wins, who loses on the first run of the pit stop?
When you cut these braided TP hoses, you put on some tape on the end, and doesn't matter what you use to cut it with. I cut it with a grinder. It has to be super clean before you put it in the car, otherwise all the contamination will end up in the oil or fuel or whatever. And it goes together like this. Put the knot on over the tape in the right direction and remove the tape without cutting yourself on the braided thread. Then you put the olive in, and this cut has to be perfectly straight, has to be 90 degrees, otherwise it won't be a great fit. Make sure it comes all the way in on the olive, and then put on the fitting. The braided threads has to be on the outside of the thread, otherwise it won't be able to screw in it like this. You have to be able to screw this in by hand, otherwise it won't be a great fit. And then you go to the vise. You have to have this shock protection, because otherwise you will mess up your aluminium. And then you just tighten it. Some manufacturers' products, they are actually leaving a gap, so you can't tighten it all the way down. So make sure you just tighten it right. And there you have it. Let's install it. This one is for the engine, and this one is for the transmission.
Solid power and QuantumScape have supposedly solved that issue. For this to make sense, let's brush up on some solid-state battery basics first. Now, we've talked about solid-state batteries on my channel many times, so I'll keep this brief. In an ordinary battery, you have a cathode and an anode. And these are separated by, well, a separator and a liquid electrolyte solution that allows ions to flow freely between the two sides during the charge and discharge. Liquid electrolyte in the market, that's another benefit of the anode-less design. QuantumScape doesn't need to spend money on making an anode. And considering that cost is one of the things holding back solid-state batteries, every little bit helps. It also saves some space and weight, which again are important considerations in the EV world. There's even more benefits to QuantumScape's design, which I'll get to in a minute. While solid-state batteries are still making their way to the market, there's something else that's already out there on the market, and that's your private data online. It's nuts that there are data brokers out there that make big money collecting your personal information and selling it. I've been using today's sponsor, Delete Me, for a few months now to help scrub my glove.
Everything worked out perfectly, and she came,
and she's just perfect. It's really funny because, I mean, for a long time we thought we were done after 2 kids, and we had contemplated for a while whether or not we should have a third, and ultimately we decided that we did. Like, let's do it.
literally.
This one is for rubber hose, as long as you put the hose into the
and so much smoother
knot.
This time, like so far. I mean, last night was a little bit
all the way.
A little rough.
It's not a problem
for me.
Meantime, I'm going to work on this back shield, rotate this apron back where I can get to those 2 bolts that I need to put in from the inside. And I've got some lathe work to do. Get after that today.
Access to the systems. That hacking group has already compromised some drinking water systems. Its operation has been busted.
So locals are worried about its communist ties.
What are they doing with the profits that come out of this? Are they putting it back into the community, or is it going over to China? You know, what about the opportunities for using these locations for spying headquarters, which is often what Chinese
Great. Well, we'll see how it goes in the coming days. The bad thing that Kharkiv and Sumy are not that far away from the Russian border, and they're quite big cities, especially Kharkiv. So maybe Russia might try to reinforce their army in the place, trying to encircle the cities, which they want. In this general, Russia actually helps Ukraine, because it is profitable for us, for Russia to have the incompetent military command.
That's it. The fan is in, the radiator is in, the oil cooler and the trans cooler are in, and I think that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, put down a like or a comment. And if you're new here, why don't you subscribe? It's free. The next video will probably be a race video. We'll see what happens. But thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.